Jai Srimanarayana. 16th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karmanaha sukrutasya ahuhu satvikam निर्मलं फलं रजसस्तु फलं दुःखम् अज्ञानं तमसः फलम् ॐ Realize that sattvic activities gives you the pure fruit, but the fruit of rajasic activities is series of grief, and the fruit of tamasic activities is series of ajnanam, ignorance. That is why keep on trying to perform sattvic activities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on trying to perform only sattvic activities. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetakrtyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 277th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra. In that process, he is teaching Kaliya Mardana story, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, in Yamuna river, that water was totally poisoned by one serpent called Kaliya Sarpam. That serpent was living in that waters for long time. and that poison is like fire. It is making all the water boil like anything. And while that water is boiling with poison, all the steam that is coming up, that is killing even the birds which were flying over that pond. To that extent, the steam of that poisonous water, and even around on the banks of Yamuna river, whatever the trees, whatever the living beings, animals are there, all of them are getting killed by the steam which is coming from that water, poisonous water. Then tam chandavega vishaviryam avekshya. That poison is also has lot of velocity. It is spreading. It is going everywhere. Seeing that, realizing all that, then Krishna Paramatma, Khala, Sanyamana Avataraha, the one who came down to kill all the bad, remove the bad, such Paramatma, Krishnaha Kadambam Adhirukya Tatoti Tungam Aspotya Gadharasanaha Nyapatat Vishode Balavirudu Krishnudu Agrahinchi Bhujaga Vishavani Doshambun Poliya Chesi Nadinchutu Nanuchun Visala Pata Visakha Kadamba Bhujambu Nekki. That Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma, he has seen that water which is boiling with poison, and he got so mad at Kaliyam. And then, in order to remove the poison from that water, to send the Kaliya from that water, he climbed onto one big tree to the top end, and from there he tied cloth to his waist, and he is hitting his shoulders, and he is getting ready, and from there, from the top of the tree, he dived into the water which is filled up with poison. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 16th sloka. Karmana sukrutasyahuhu satvikam nirmalam phalam rajasastu phalam dukkham ajnanam tamasah phalam. Karmana sukrutasyahuhu satvikam nirmalam phalam rajasastu phalam dukkham ajnanam tamasah phalam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.